Good evening from Toronto International Airport. Today we're going to be flying to Vancouver on board an Air Canada Airbus A321, and it's already 3 hours late, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to point out that this was filmed in December 2021, so the stuff that's in it might not be completely accurate for what you're actually watching, but whatever. Also, because this was filmed before Air Canada retired their Dash 8 300s, I thought I'd take a video of some of the last ones in service. In the meantime, our A321 has finally arrived at the gate, and I think at this point everyone's tired of sitting in this filthy terminal, so let's go check out what it's like on board.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Are you putting me on video?
Yes.
You know you have to pay extra for that.
Okay.
He's like, okay, right away.
Yeah.
That was easy. That was easy. Watch your back there. I think this gentleman wants to... Captain's just coming now. Careful.
How's it going, man?
Thank you.
That's light. I'm just working on it now. So we try to.
All right. All right.
Come on in.
Quite a minute.
Don't put anything up there.
This is where our cabin defect logbook is.
That's the cockpit.
Yes.
Our pilot.
Okay, go.
After that friendly encounter with the cabin crew, I took my seat, which was seat 18F, and I found that my seatmate was a Sunwing pilot who was being transferred to Vancouver, so we struck up a conversation during the flight.
Prepare doors for departure, cross-check, thank you.
Here's our pushback, de-icing, and departure off of runway 06 left.
Branchez à votre propre appareil portatif, nous vous demandons de les retirer maintenant, merci.
Joignez-vous à nous pour explorer tout ce que le Canada peut offrir.
Please place baggage in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Veuillez ranger vos bagages dans le coffre supérieur ou sous le siège devant vous.
In preparation for takeoff, make sure you're comfortably seated, with your seat back upright and tray table stowed.
En prévision du décollage, prenez soin de vous asseoir confortablement, de redresser le dossier de votre siège et de ranger la tablette. Sortez le gilet de la pochette et enfilez-le.
is the IFE system. It's not very advanced because on the A321 they still used the Thales system instead of the Panasonic EX3, which they use on aircraft like the 787 or the 737 MAX, but it's still pretty viable. Because of the pandemic, the cabin crew handed out these Cleancare kit thingies, which have some wipes, some hand sanitizer, and a mask. And the mask is the best mask I've ever worn because it doesn't actually kill my ears. In the seat back pocket, there is an air sickness bag and a safety card, but no in-flight magazine, also because of the pandemic. For dinner, I ordered a pizza and a Kit Kat, two of my favorite foods. The bathroom is as small as you would expect, but anything bigger than the one on a Q400 is perfectly fine. After a bit, the lights of Vancouver came into view. Here's our approach and landing on runway 08 left.
Belongings. If you have a connecting flight, please refer to the screens inside the terminal or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. If you feel that you have missed your flight, they will take care of your connecting flight. Thank you for choosing Air Canada, member of Star Alliance. We hope you've had a pleasant flight. We look forward to seeing you again. Once again, we do apologize for the late arrival, and we hope this has not caused you too much inconvenience.
Pushback once again. First officer speaking. Welcome to Vancouver. Ground crew is just preparing for us. We don't anticipate more than a 2 or 3 minute delay. In the meantime, we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign's been turned off. Thanks for your patience, and once again, welcome to Vancouver.
Prepare those for arrival cross-check, thank you.
Forget something?
I want to try windows on your view. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 So that was AC115 from Toronto to Vancouver. Overall, it was a pretty good flight, except for that it was delayed for 3 hours at the start. But other than that, I enjoyed this flight, and I'll see you in the next video.